Gigabyte just dropped some exciting new features, including their all-new X3D Turbo Mode, specifically designed to supercharge Ryzen 7000 X3D, 9000 X3D, and 9000 series CPUs. On top of that, they've just unveiled their cutting-edge Thunderbolt 5 PCIe 4 card, bringing next-level performance to your build. In today's video, we're diving deep into Gigabyte's game-changing X3D Turbo Mode and their latest Thunderbolt 5 PCIe 4 card, so stay tuned because you definitely don't want to miss anything. Welcome back to LA Electronics, your ultimate source for all things PC tech, especially when it comes to the latest GPU and CPU news and leaks. If you haven't already, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you're always in the loop with the latest drops. Also, don't forget to follow me on X, where I post all the breaking news first before diving deep into it here on the channel. In today's video, we're breaking down Gigabyte's new X3D Turbo Mode that is optimized for Ryzen 7000 X3D, 9000 X3D, and 9000 series CPUs, along with their brand new Thunderbolt 5 PCIe 4 card. So without further ado, let's jump right in. Gigabyte has just unveiled their exciting new X3D Turbo Mode, designed to give a serious performance boost to AMD Ryzen 7000 X3D, 9000 X3D, and 9000 series CPUs. According to Gigabyte, X3D Turbo Mode offers unique optimization parameters that increase performance by 20 to 35%, though they haven't detailed exactly how it works. Whether it involves overclocking or tweaking power limits remains unclear. What we do know is that it promises smoother gameplay, higher frame rates, and reduced latency, making it an attractive upgrade for gamers. This feature will be available on Gigabyte's AMD X870E, X870, and 600 series motherboards that have the F4E BIOS and AMD's AGESA 1.2.0.2a. Performance gains are reportedly up to 35% for upcoming Ryzen 9000 X3D CPUs, 20% for Ryzen 9000 CPUs, and an unspecified boost for Ryzen 7000 X3D models. However, the actual improvement depends on your processor model and your DRAM conditions. Gigabyte also claims that X3D Turbo Mode allows Ryzen 9000 CPUs to reach gaming performance levels similar to their X3D counterparts, which is a very bold statement considering the significant single-thread performance gains provided by AMD's 3DV cache, which traditionally gives X3D CPUs the edge in gaming. Do you think Gigabyte's X3D Turbo Mode can really bridge the gap and make a Ryzen 9000 match a 9000 X3D? Drop your thoughts in the comments down below. Now let's dive into Gigabyte's brand new Thunderbolt 5 PCIe 4 card. Gigabyte has just dropped their cutting-edge Thunderbolt 5 PCIe 4 card, and it's packed with impressive features. Powered by Intel's JHL9580 Thunderbolt 5 controller, this card runs over a PCIe 4.0x4 interface and comes equipped with 3 mini DisplayPort ports and 2 USB Type-C ports, fully compliant with Thunderbolt 5. What's more, it includes 3 mini DisplayPort cables and 3 internal header cables that consist of 2 Thunderbolt header cables and 1 USB 2.0 header cable, so you're ready to go right out of the box. Thunderbolt 5 delivers up to 80 gigabits per second of bandwidth by default, but when connected to external displays, it can push up to an incredible 120 gigabits per second in certain scenarios. Gigabyte also touts the ability to daisy chain up to 10 devices, which means 5 per USB-C port. Both USB-C ports support the USB powered 3.1 standard, providing up to 100 watts of power per port. What's really exciting is that with this Thunderbolt 5 add-in card, even users with PCIe 4.0 motherboards can jump into the Thunderbolt 5 ecosystem, regardless of whether their motherboard I/O natively supports it or not. What do you think of Gigabyte's new Thunderbolt 5 PCIe 4 card? And while you're at it, don't forget to let me know what you think of their new X3D Turbo Mode that we just talked about earlier. Drop your thoughts in the comments down below. Speaking of Gigabyte, if you're curious about their Z890 motherboards as well as the Z890 Mobos from colorful ASRock and Asus, be sure to click the card in the top right corner to check out my last video where I break down all the key details from each company's Z890 lineup. Trust me, you don't want to miss it. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to smash that like button. Thank you so much for tuning in, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace out.